Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about something that many of us might not be familiar with: apothecary at home. For those who don't know, apothecary refers to the art and science of preparing and dispensing drugs and medicine. And while it might seem like something that's only done in pharmacies or laboratories, it's actually something that you can do in the comfort of your own home. So why would you want to try apothecary at home? Well, for starters, it can be a great way to take control of your health and wellness. By learning about different herbs, plants, and natural remedies, you can create your own personalized treatments that are tailored to your specific needs. But before we get started, it's important to note that if you have a serious medical condition or are taking prescription medication, you should always consult with your doctor before trying any new treatments or remedies. Now, let's dive into some of the basics of apothecary at home. The first thing you'll want to do is start building up your collection of herbs and plants. You can find these at health food stores, online retailers, or even in your own backyard. Some popular herbs for apothecary include chamomile. This herb is great for reducing inflammation and promoting relaxation. Echinacea. This plant is known for its immune-boosting properties and can help prevent and treat colds and other respiratory illnesses. Ginger. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory and can help with nausea, digestive issues, and even menstrual cramps. Lavender. This herb has a calming effect and can be used to reduce stress and anxiety. Once you have your herbs and plants, you'll want to start experimenting with different recipes and preparations. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Tea. You can make your own herbal teas by steeping your chosen herbs in hot water for a few minutes. This is a great way to enjoy the benefits of the herbs while also staying hydrated. Salves and balms. These can be made by infusing herbs into a carrier oil, such as coconut or jojoba oil, and then mixing with beeswax to create a solid balm. This can be used topically to help with skin issues, muscle pain, or other ailments. Tinctures. A tincture is a concentrated herbal extract that's made by steeping herbs in alcohol or vinegar for a few weeks. This can be taken orally or added to water to create a more potent herbal remedy. Of course, these are just a few ideas to get you started. There are countless other ways to incorporate apothecary into your daily life. So there you have it, a brief overview of apothecary at home. We hope this has sparked your curiosity and inspired you to learn more about the art and science of herbal medicine. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.